Do you want to save on your heating bill and be warm this winter? You need to have your heating system serviced once a year, and now is the time. We are a local company serving Dutchess County, New York, with many years' experience with highly trained technicians to solve all your heating and cooling needs. Locally located in Dutchess County, New York, we answer the phone and go where you need us, helping you save on your heating costs. We are specialists in our area for your installation, repairs, and maintenance of all your heating